Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. Almost perfect timing. As we see last week, the Ohio train derailment of Norfolk and things spewing into the air and seeping into the water and all the bad stuff kind of with that whole situation. And I live here in East Tennessee, and all that stuff kind of runs down. Almost, like I said, perfect timing for me. A small local, I wouldn't say local, but a USA made company reached out to me, and they sent me some personal water filtration systems for water bottles and stuff like that. The box came. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Can't open these things up without a knife. Got a knife we're using today. Like I said, I love my case. Let's see, we'll open this up here. Also doing this in a car. All right, so let's open this up. All right, so this company is called ETA, which stands for Emergency Travel Adventure. They are, like I said, made in the USA. This is the first time I've taken a look at it, so let's look at this together. All right, so we're taking it out of the box. Let's take a look-see-poo at it. Like that comes a 28-ounce ETA alkalizing portable water bottle, so you guys can scan that and see what's up with it. Opening it up seems pretty cool. Before using, remove sticker. That's fine. So we'll be testing this out today. Sleeves made in China. Okay, I can understand that. But here's how she works. Please remove before using. Gotta do that. You've got your filter right here, and fill it up with water. And you're supposed to basically just squeeze it and then pop that up. It's supposed to be able to drink from that. So we'll see how well that system works, see if this is any good. Let's see what they say on the specs of this. So let's read it up real quick. So it says it removes 99.99% of harmful contaminants, while others simplify filter. They alkalinize the water up to a pH of 9.5. So it's not saying it gets it up to 9.5 every time, but it does a good job of raising the pH. Produces up to 100 gallons of contaminant-free alkaline water. Now, other water filters will filter some of the push filters and stuff like that. They will filter up to they'll filter up to about like 50 to 75 gallons. 100 gallons is a lot, so that's pretty good. Let's see what else this bad boy says. So let's see. They are homegrown. Our filters are proudly made in the USA and are tested as NSF ANSI 4253 standards. Okay, been tested in 40 countries. We are powered by the revolutionary IAMF technology. So you do some research on that, and we put our health and environment, so the product is made only using replaceable filters and all that stuff. So okay, very, very interesting. So they sent this to me. Like I said, we're going to test this bad boy out for a few weeks, see how we like it. I want to go on taste. I'm going to go on you know, how is it going to filter things out, all that stuff. Also want to say that no filter removes 100% of pathogens. No filter removes 100% of everything. So to be 1,000% safe, the best way to filter or to drink safe water is boil it first and then filter. So just a thought process, something to think about. So, but we're going to test this out and see how we do.